it's always the other guy's fault. We think of ourselves as these amazing drivers with superpower skills and Olympic-caliber reaction times, able to overcome everything. But are we actually good drivers? Have you ever picked up your cell phone while driving, or maybe had a sip of your drink? Then perhaps we are not as good drivers as we would like to think. Around the world, 1.25 million people die every year from road traffic accidents. This means that by the time that I finish this talk, 6 people will die on our roads. But imagine if together we can break down this wall and save 5 out of those 6 people. Would you support it? This is where I come into play by eliminating the main source of accidents, human error, by developing a collision avoidance system algorithm for intelligent vehicles. These vehicles rely on sensors to gather large amounts of complex data to understand the world around them and issue warnings in the case of hazards on the road. Currently, the ones implemented in vehicles issue warnings based only on one factor. The overall barrier, as can be seen, is that only a partial image of the dynamic surroundings is presented, resulting in false alarms and missed alerts. But it is a must to see the full picture, especially when people's lives are at stake. In my system, hazards are spotted by integrating over 30 different factors in order to come up with the full picture. These factors are then used as input variables to develop a deep neural network model using artificial intelligence that teaches computers to do what comes natural to humans, learning by example. Results show that my collision prediction accuracy is of up to 83%. The cost, just a 10% false alarm rate. This significantly improves what is currently available, and if it were to be implemented right now, it would most definitely reduce the number of accidents. Just think about it. On your way here today, you put your life in the hands of other drivers who could have been texting or even sleeping. I say, be brave. Put your life in the hands of this technology, because this technology introduces the 6th sense in the driving equation, where it will help save thousands of lives.
Questions?
Yeah. What factors are you using which aren't used in today's products?
So usually they only use time or distance. I'm using both time and distance, speed, yaw rate, and as well the traffic on the road, so congestion, flow, and many others.
Can you deal with a duck walking across the street?
So up till now, I'm only working on motorways, so it's not in an urban area, so you wouldn't have pedestrians.